A very cheerful morning, happy morning. How are you, my dear students? Yeah, beautiful, lovely. Yeah, मज़ा आ रहा है मैम पढ़ाई करते करते and we are happy also. अरे आपने मैंने तो पूछा नहीं, पहले ही आपने बता दिया मैम we are happy. Children, today I want to share something important with you. What do you do to remain happy, to make someone happy? क्या करते हो आप? दूसरों को खुश करते हो तभी आपको खुशी मिलती है. What do you do to remain happy? When you serve something, when you give something, even when you pray something, then also you are happy. Yes. So children, have you gone through the lesson? The happy tree. Who was happy? Munmun was happy. But why he was happy? When he grows from a small seed to a beautiful gulmohar tree, and when he was covered with a beautiful flowers, so he was happy. So today we will be doing worksheet of the happy tree. Okay, so are you ready, set with your book and notebook? Let's start, students. So my dear students, are you set with your notebook, textbook as well as with your pencil, eraser? Yes. Okay, so children, with happy face we will be starting our worksheet and topic you know already, the happy tree. So our first question is read and answer. What is the first question? Read and answer. So question number 1 is who is Munmun? अगर आपने ये चैप्टर रीड किया हो तो इट्स वेरी इजी, यू कैन डू इट योरसेल्फ ऑल्सो. ओके मैम, फिर भी एक बार बता दीजिए. ओके आई विल टेल यू. Who is Munmun? Munmun is a small seed. Yes, if you want, you can tick over here. It's on page number 55, 59, students. In the first stanza, who is Munmun? Munmun is a small seed. Got it? Only one line answer it is. We move to the next one. Where is Munmun sleeping? कहाँ सो रही थी Munmun? It was a small seed. So where was Munmun sleeping? Munmun was sleeping under the soil. Where was Munmun sleeping? Munmun was sleeping in the soil. Okay, got it, children? Yes, if you want, you can tick mark in the first paragraph. See, Munmun the seed sleeps inside the soil. It's on page number 59. Got it, student? Yeah, very smart. Now we move further, students. What does Munmun see as he peeps out of the soil? I repeat for you, students. What does Munmun see as he peeps out of the soil? Munmun saw light as he peeps out of the soil. Or you can write in this way also, Munmun saw a light around him. Okay, student, this is also correct and that one is also correct. Both answers are correct. What message does Munmun give to us? Yes, children, yesterday you have seen the video. So what message does Munmun gave you? क्या मैसेज मिला आपको? I repeat for you, children. What message does Munmun give to us? Munmun gives us message that please do not cut us, do not cut the tree. We are your green friends. Okay, we are so useful to us. We are your green friends. So this is the message that we get from the chapter The Happy Tree. Okay, students. What makes Munmun look beautiful? आप जब भी न्यू कपड़े में अच्छे फ्लावर्स वाली फ्रॉक पहनते हो ना तो आप ब्यूटीफुल लगते हो ना, लेकिन मुनमुन कैसे ब्यूटीफुल लगा बताओ. What makes Munmun look beautiful? कैसे मुनमुन ब्यूटीफुल हुआ? Yes, Munmun looks beautiful as it is covered with a beautiful flowers. As it is covered with a beautiful flowers. Gradually and slowly, when a small seeds grow into a gulmohar tree and when it is covered with a beautiful flowers, In this way, Munmun looks beautiful. Got it, students? आप कैसे सुंदर लगते हो? जब भी न्यू न्यू कपड़ों में ड्रेस अप होते हो तभी आप सुंदर लगते हो ना? Yes. So these were the question answers from chapter 10, the happy tree. So I hope you have take all the answers in the textbook itself and you will be writing in your notebook. Now we move further, students. Match the one to its more than one. आपको मैंने पढ़ाया था ना, one more than one pencil, two pencils, foot, feet, tooth, teeth. Got it? याद आया? Okay. Now we'll move match the one to its more than one. Let's start, student. Foot, feet, tooth. What will be more than one of? Tooth. So it's the correct answer is teeth. Okay. Another one is woman. It's women. Okay. Men. It's men. Child. Children. Got it? So in this way you have to do the matching with one and more than one. But it's in the form of matching. Match the following. Okay, students? Now a very important questions, but it's for you children. You have to read the chapter and you have to write down the sentence in a systematic and in a orderly wise. Okay? Number the sentences in sequence as they are in the story, then write a paragraph. Children, these sentences are given up and down that you have to arrange sequence wise. Okay, so I read for you. Munmun has a message for you. Munmun grown up to be a big gulmohar tree. The soil becomes wet. Another one is Munmun hears a sound, pitter patter. Munmun peeps out of the soil. Munmun the seed sleep inside the soil. So आपको पता चल रहा है ना कौन सा सेंटेंस पहले आएगा, दूसरा होगा, तीसरा, चौथा और पांचवा. So you have to write in a sequence. The sentence which comes first in the chapter, you will be writing first, then second, then third, fourth and fifth. So it is called sequence. इसको क्या बोला जाता है बेटा? जब ऑर्डर में लिखते हैं सेंटेंसेस को चैप्टर वाइज, उसको बोला जाता है सीक्वेंस. ओके स्टूडेंट्स, गॉट इट? नाउ एक्टिविटी टाइम. हेयर्स अ एक्टिविटी टाइम. आप एंजॉय करते हो ना? चिल्ड्रन, यू हैव टू मेक योर फेवरेट ट्री, whether it's a neem tree, mango tree, gulmohar tree, and then you have to, what you have to do? Color it. Yeah, मैम मज़ा आ गया. कलरिंग में बहुत मज़ा आता है मैम. Okay, so it was all about the happy tree. The worksheet reading. Hope you have followed the whole worksheet and you will be doing it very happily with a smiling face. So children, it was all about today's topic and I hope you have and you will be updating your notebook also. So इस तरह खुश रहिए, खुशियाँ बांटते रहिए. Stay blessed and have a great time students. Bye bye.